Hello, my name is Jason Voldsness. My company is Superior Interiors. I'm a finished carpenter. I'm a carpenter, I'm a builder. This isn't my job site, but I'm subcontracting some finished carpentry here. And basically, I want to share my knowledge with the community because up here in Wisconsin, we don't have a lot of carpenters around, and the future of the trade is looks like it's in trouble, and we have a housing crisis and all this thing. So I'm not doing great as a business, but I'm pretty damn good carpenter, and I'd like to share a lot of my tricks and just try to imagine training somebody. I know I could train somebody to be as good as me. There's some steps that are just clear cut, ways you can do things, approach a job that you're efficient. You don't have to work your tail off. If you're smart, you work harder, work smarter, not harder, the same. But, this is a great day for a great example to be a finished carpenter. I mean, it's August here, but it's like 61 degrees, and it is raining. We really need the rain, but these days are great because you're looking out the window thinking, thank God I can work today. But join me for my journey here. I want to, I think it's really important to share what I know, my knowledge with the world. So enjoy it. Come along with me.